Guys, meet my friends. I'm taking them on a tour. There's Prince, Barbara's brother, and that's Barbara and Dorothy. And there's me. Hi. So if you want to roam, hit me up. We make time and then we roam. And I'm a boy. Which one? This? Yeah, this are bamboo trees. The view of this place. Okay guys, so after exploring Aburi, we are going to a hidden waterfall here, and so we are taking the hike. Join me. Let's go experience the place. This I'm looking, I'm wearing a beautiful top with my African scarf. Okay, let's go. I took my shoes, but I'm being stubborn. And now look at the road. And down. Oh. So I think you can drive down here if you want. Whoa, that is more slopey. Wow. So we're still in the dungeon forest, still going. My friends are already tired. Look at them. The others are way behind. But we are almost there, so wish us luck. Okay. Okay. We are here. I don't know, but I'm so excited. We are here. Finally. Don't break your leg. Okay. So we enter. Basically, this is the place. Are you kidding me? I can't believe they have this over here. Reminds me of Adom waterfalls. What the hell? Look, and it's not like a safe thing to walk on. To me, it's not safe. Look, it's so thin, and you stretch. How? No. My babies are tired. So there is 90 staircase. You're gonna descend on. Still shaky. Whoa, it's really a hiking. My scarf is even off. Oh, here the waterfall. You keep descending and descending. Hello, please help me with walking. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, finally. Thank you. take a video of the waterfall. So enjoying myself. Am I going? That was fun. That was fun. Thank you. Whoa. We are done here and we are headed back. No, we are going to eat. They're coming now. Hiking back is not easy. Descending is way better. But I guess you won't be sweating like me if you don't swim. But if you swim, you'll be relaxed like here, having a good time on the road. Okay, we're going back home. Yeah.